Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have Ameripolis's Rejuvenating Cleaner. This is a concentrated multi-purpose floor cleaner. It comes in a 32-ounce tilt bottle. It's the top seller for those polished concrete guys. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our dual PCD coating removal tool. This is an excellent choice for removing medium to heavy coatings. It comes directional, so it either comes in a counterclockwise or a clockwise configuration. It's great tool for removing heavy and sticky coatings, thin sets, etc. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our magnetic adapter with the wings. It's a quick and easy way to change tools. Basically, if your machine's proprietary, this will make it not proprietary. You could buy diamonds from anybody in your backyard, in your no man's land. You can get tooling for machines, for example, like HCC. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the Flowrock Gloss Epoxy Floor Resin 4700 kits. It's 100% solids epoxy. It's a quick drying 4 to 6 hour epoxy, so great for buildup. It's in the white night gray. Here's the white night gray. And it's a 4-gallon kit. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our premium double buttons, 80 grits in the medium bond. This is with the tapered edges. It's a great tool for grind and seals. Leaves a nice tight, subtle scratch pattern. And or if you want to transition to concrete polishing to hybrid, this is a great tool. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our Luster polishing pad. This is a high-performance resin concrete polishing pad. This tool, something that's very special about it. It's one of our best sellers over the last decade. It leaves no resin transfer or haze. A real tool that really refines so you get better gloss numbers. Message me.